What kind of car does a cat drive? Ferrari.
What's the best way to make an octopus laugh? With 10 tickles.
What do you call a pile of cats? A mountain.
A mountain.
Maisie, what do cats call a nice dinner? Fancy feast.
Fancy feast. A fancy feast.
What do cats call a nice dinner? Fancy feast.
A fancy feast.
Fancy feast.
What's a cat's favorite color? Purple.
A fancy feast.
Kucing masuk peta air, dia nampak apa? Nampak pelik.
What's smarter than a talking cat? Get a spelling bee?
What do you call a